So, I want to know, anybody recognize the woman here? Huh? Anybody recognize the woman here? Huh? Mixy Mixy. Anybody know Mixy Mixy? Huh? Anybody know what Master Baker have to go through, to get through in the airport this morning? Anybody want to know? Huh? Anybody want to know? Alright. Uno know say Blacky Mango couldn't get me through with the paperwork then. Yeah? Then after Blacky Mango get to the last paperwork, them say them can't let Master Baker through. I don't want to know how me reaching at the airport. Yeah? I don't want to know. I see one woman will look just like Master Baker. We grab her and carry her in the bathroom. Yeah. And Master Baker thief her identity. Because fly high or fly low, Master Baker have to reach at Jamaica for Mixy Mixy. Understand me? Them a talk about say, me fi look for gate. Me can't find no gate. Me no see no iron gate. Me no see no zinc cup gate. Me don't know what to look for. Me not see no gate. Yeah. Understand me? So, them say me fi come off a Kingston. Yeah, for Master for Mixy Mixy. Yeah? Master Baker must come off a Kingston for Mixy Mixy. So when me pack up all of them stone here and stone them down at Kingston, me tell you say me not ramp, me I go for the girl Mixy Mixy. Yeah, me can't make you see me. Cause me have to go under disguise. Cause I want attack from back. Yeah, I want jump over Mixy Mixy from behind. You understand me? Yes. I wonder if the girl still in her people them pull down there. Eh? I don't think the girl in her people them pull down there. She I got talk about say Master Baker for go in a pool and beat her. Oh, me for go in a pool and beat mad girl Mixy Mixy. Eh? Oh, me for go in a pool. Eh? She got in her pool. Eh? Me have my belt for deal with the girl. Me have my stone for deal with the girl. The reason why she have to live in a people pool is because she have to keep her hands them off her. You understand me? Me think I'm me alone dead mad. Mixy Mixy madder than me. Yeah. Mixy Mixy I come chat and I talk about say, me fi do this and do that and beat her. And she they a bus stop I hide from people. Yeah? They a bus stop I hide from people because she hold people. Mixy Mixy over there a ball because somebody get van and she not have no van. Eh? Tell me, 1 minute Mixy Mixy I live big life and the next minute Mixy Mixy a papa. Wanna tell me now? Yeah? Yes, if you all of them things that were Mixy Mixy go on with. Yes? Me say man, when me done with her down at Jamaica there. So a Kingston me fi come off. Eh? A Kingston me fi stop a plane. A Kingston. Because me ear say there, Mixy Mixy there. A Kingston. A there so me go stop the plane. You understand me? Yes. Me think say Mixy Mixy and me, Master Baker, are the mad one. But Mixy Mixy a mad girl. You understand me? A matter of fact, me take my mad pill. Take my mad pill. Take my mad pill. Alright. Me take my mad pill. You understand me? Yes. Because me did a sing, you know. Me did a sing, say. Me did a sing. And I say, them are go dead for see me broke. And then me start say, cash up. Stars, PayPal, Western Union, MoneyGram. Yes, and me a mad one. And me do them things there. You understand? Not Mixy Mixy. You understand? And then me start sing again. I say, me a God picking. All them I do, they can't stop me. Take your mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. And on me make your make no money. Stars. Stars. PayPal. Cash App. Western Union. MoneyGram. Drop it a grung. Drop it a grung. Yes. Let me take one more me pill. Cause me are the mad one. Master Baker the mad one. Alright, one more pill. Understand? I don't come out here and beg, you know. But hear what? Yes, I don't want to pressure you. Stars, PayPal, MoneyGram, Western Union. Drop it a grung. Drop it a grung. Understand? And me are the mad one, Mixy Mixy. You understand me? Me don't want me to rub off on you. Yes? And Betty tell me say, informer they over here. Yes? I care about news over Mixy Mixy yard. So that's why me no want to see Master Baker. Because me no want to give up my identity. Yeah? You understand me? Me no want to give up my identity. Oh no, me informer over here. I go over Mixy yard and I tell her what happened over here. So me can't trust her no, for sure no me. You understand me? Because Master Baker under disguise. Yes, me look like one girl with name Chocolate. Me don't know what she name herself Chocolate for she think people want name her. But Mixy Mixy, fly high or fly low, me I find you. No matter which hotel you're there. Yeah? Master Baker, I'll find you. Me I jump over you, then jump on you like a bouncy house. Which part of that you don't understand? Mixy Mixy? Because my sister, you're confused, you know, Mixy Mixy. Mixy Mixy, you're confused. Yeah, you're confused. You understand me? Me think I only Bertha, delusional donkey, them alone, they confused. But you're confused. Because 1 minute, you tell me, say, if you go in a pool and live like you, and the next minute you're there bust up, I hide from people. 1 minute you're a ball because people get van and you don't get none. Mixy Mixy, oh, you're a bad mind. Eh? He Mixy Mixy. And when I reach a Kingston, I have this. If you ask anybody when know this Mixy Mixy, lead me to which part she there. Because me, I find you. She did, yeah, me, I find you. Fly high, fly low. You're wanted. You understand me? Me not trust the informer them over here. For sure them when me look like I'm a one catch you from behind. You understand me? Yes, I want to catch you from behind. Mixy Mixy. Yes? Straight over your head me a jump. Like crouching tiger, hidden dragon. You understand? Martial arts. Yeah, martial arts never use upon you. Yeah. Me don't know if nobody never did tell us a Bruce Lee and my uncle. Huh? Yeah. Understand me? So, me I find you Mixy Mixy. Me have your picture, you can't hide. Me have your picture ready for you. All me have to do, I find one little broke down hotel with one pool. Understand? Anyway, one little mash down hotel there with one pool. A day you're there, I hide out from my hands them. Because you know one, you can't stay out of pool. Because hands will bite you up. Remember say anywhere you go, hands nest did it. Understand me? All me I look, me can't find no gate. I wonder if a zinc up gate or a metal gate. What kind of gate me for look for? Yeah? Why them a gate up a place? Dog in here? Them have bad dog in here? Master Baker not do that, the dog, you know? Me have my slingshot. Master Baker don't do dog. Them better not have no dog behind the gate where them a tell me to go. Okay, that's all me know. Because Ellen Powder House, them will throw me back out of the airport if any dog in here. Because I don't understand why they need gate. Yeah. But me just come to tell Mixy Mixy say, yes, me dip on my way. Me is on my way. Kingston, me I go stop a plane. Kingston, me I go tell them to stop. Right at Kingston. Yes, that's where Blackie man go tell me to come off at Kingston. And at that, me I do. So, when me reach Kingston, me have Mixy Mixy picture For walk and ask anybody know the woman here because I bet your people know her. Because she's stagnant. But just ask them if they know the stagnant woman here. Yeah? I say, I know the stagnant woman here. Yeah? Yeah? I know the stagnant woman here. We sell kerchief. The one here. Mixy Mixy. Why you can't be like a planka boss? Why you can't be like a planka boss and have some ambition? Mixy Mixy. Why you can't be like a planka boss and make money move? Or you so stagnant? Mixy, watch your face with the makeup. When I catch you. When I catch you. A matter of fact, I might want to hold you in a pool so I can dip you and baptize you. Baptize some ambition in you. Yes, you can't be like a planka boss. Watch your face. Watch your face with my makeup. Where you full of so much leopard for? Yawa. Where all this leopard I go? So how me fi miss you? Yeah? All this leopard. Jesus, Yawa. Yawa kind of animal. Master B, I cannot even know. But all me know when me reach Kingston, from airport me I start ask. If they know the stagnant woman here. Yes. Why you can't be like the planka boss? Why you can't be like a planka boss? Why you can't be like the planka boss and make your name upon everybody lip? Why you can't be like a planka boss and make everybody bad mind you? Mixy Mixy. I'm going to baptize you first before me jump over you and jump on you like a damn trample and bouncy house. You understand me? I'm going to baptize you. Baptize some ambition in you. You understand me? Yes. Make you be like the planka boss. Yes? Yes. Yes, man. You know a planka boss, Mixy Mixy? I have to introduce you to her. Yes. Make you have some ambition. You understand me? Yes. Relax. You're there Jamaica too long for not have no ambition. Mixy Mixy. Wait till Master Baker hold you. Yeah? Wait till I hold you. That wrap on your head like a poker woman. I go drop off in a pool. Yeah? Yeah, what? Poker woman? Why that the wrap they cover up one of your eye? What happened to your eye? What happened to your eye, Mixy Mixy? Why you have to cover up? I saw feel that the wrap the big cover up one of your eye. Ah, Jesus. I forgot to ask the planka boss if she can meet with you. And see if she can do some charity for you, Mixy Mixy. Because you need some charity. Yes, man. You need a good wrap for your head. What are they sitting around for your neck? Why? I can't manage you. No. I go and knock some sense in you. I go and jump some sense in you. Yes. Yes, man. Wait till I reach. Wait till I sneak up on you and jump over you. Yeah? Wait till I slap some ambition in you. You need some ambition. Yes, I'm going to introduce you to the planka boss. You understand me? Make sure teach you how it's done. You understand? Yes. So they can't hate from you like how they hate from her. You understand? Because when things are going for you, Mixy Mixy. Nobody not like you, Mixy Mixy. You hardly find people who like you, Mixy Mixy. You understand? When things are going for you. You understand? Yes. Then don't stone, no green, no more empty mango tree. Mixy Mixy. Yes. You understand? I'm going to make the planka back teach you how it's done. Yes. Yes, man. I'm going to look for gate, you know. I'm going to look for gate. You understand me? Our kind of gate, zinc up gate, iron gate. They have dog behind the gate. Cause I have dog behind the gate. It's the one, it's the only one plan. I don't want to not chat up in my comment. Cause next thing you know, I care about my name, I'm going to tell Mixy Mixy. You understand? I'm going to tell Betty. You understand? When I come over my yard, when I come over here and say nothing. Yeah, stand still over my yard. Yeah? And still, I think I find the gate. I think I find the gate. But no gate, not the funny. So I wonder if I go over there. Can't no gate no over there. Look there. I pay a seat over there. No gate no over there. So what kind of gate? One blacky mango sometime, you see, man. Sometimes I just want trippy girl. Yeah? She tell me for go gate. I lucky thing Master Baker has sense. Yeah. Black man go say me for find me gate. Keep your people. Yes, so me not have time for you now. Me dey on my way. I go track down Mixy Mixy. Yeah. Alright, you no bother go back go say nothing. So I not show me. Cause me don't want to go inform. Make you know what me look like. You understand? From back behind me attack. Go from behind. You understand? Yeah. Later.